What an idiot.
This wasn't much of a fail. Wasn't much of a fail. What?
Just a big fat man sitting up here like, I'm king now.
I am king! My butt may be cold, but I am king. What if I just fart and I'm just like, ah!
You fart, melt all the snow underneath you.
Sam, you should join me up here. It's very nice and...
Nope, I'm fine. Ah, damn it. Oh, crap. What the? Ah, you're dead, Elijah. Gonna laugh when it smacks the phone right out of my hand. Ah, damn it. I don't want to move and slip.
No!
Ah, you're an idiot, man.
Shut the fuck up.
You're an idiot.
What's those?
Boing, 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 boing.